In this video, we are going to learn how to find themes in focus groups using NVivo. First, let's understand what a focus group is. Focus groups are used to collect qualitative data by asking a group of people about their attitudes or feelings towards a product, service, concept, advertisement, or idea. Questions are asked in an interactive group setting where participants are free to talk with other group members. In this video, I will utilize a theoretically flexible approach to conduct thematic analysis on a focus group, which is the Braun and Clarke 6-step approach for thematic analysis. This is a majorly inductive approach to thematic analysis. In inductive thematic analysis, the researcher analyzes the data to get patterns of shared meaning, which are interpreted and labeled as codes. Eventually, the shared meaning in codes helps in the development of the themes. In contrast, the deductive thematic analysis approach involves having predetermined themes that are developed before the analysis, what is referred to as a priori, and then trying to fit data or codes into the already predetermined theme. Generally, thematic analysis is an ideal approach to analyze qualitative data when one is trying to find out about people's views, opinions, experiences, assess people's knowledge about a given topic, assess people's values or beliefs, or explore questions about how people interpret their experiences and the meanings they attach to them. For instance, in this study, the focus group I will be analyzing explores different experiences of people diagnosed with atrial fibrillations in Sao Paulo, Brazil. The 6 steps I'm going to follow in conducting thematic analysis on a focus group will include familiarizing with the focus group. Second, generating initial code. Third, coming up with themes. Fourth, reviewing and refining themes. Fifth, providing clear descriptions to the themes. And sixth, writing the findings report.